Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to use background erase tool in Photoshop. Sometimes we find a complex image. If you remove the background using pen tool, then you cannot get quality from the image. Then go to the layer panel and background layer, copy and hide the background icon. Then select the background erase tool from the toolbar. Follow the process. And remove the background. I do this. Now we remove the background using background erase tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.